Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new contact in your AOL account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is up at the top, across from settings, there should be a little icon in here, right next to the calendar. This is contacts. Go ahead and select that and select add a new contact at the bottom here. Go ahead and fill out the relevant information about them. And you could just go ahead and then insert in an email here. And then once that is done, select save. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.